Once upon a time, in a small village in India, there lived a young boy named Rohit. Rohit was a hard-working boy, but he lacked self-confidence and often doubted his abilities. Despite his best efforts, he struggled to excel in his studies and felt demotivated. One day, Rohit stumbled upon an old book in his grandfather's collection. It was a book of motivational stories and essays, and Rohit was immediately drawn to it. He began to read it every night before going to bed, and soon found himself inspired and motivated by the stories of successful people. One particular story that stood out to Rohit was that of a famous scientist who failed multiple times before making a breakthrough discovery. The scientist's persistence and determination despite repeated failures inspired Rohit to keep trying, even when he failed. Rohit also read about successful entrepreneurs, artists, and athletes, and learned that all of them had faced setbacks and failures before achieving success. He realized that failure was not the end, but rather an opportunity to learn and grow. Motivated by the stories in the book, Rohit started to work harder and set goals for himself. He began to believe in his own abilities and found that he was able to accomplish much more than he had ever thought possible. One day, a new teacher joined Rohit's school. The teacher noticed Rohit's hard work and dedication, and encouraged him to participate in a school competition. Rohit was hesitant at first, but the teacher's encouragement gave him the confidence he needed to try. Rohit put his heart and soul into the competition and was pleasantly surprised when he won first place. He couldn't believe that he had accomplished something he had never thought possible. The victory filled him with a sense of pride and self-confidence that he had never experienced before. From that day on, Rohit continued to work hard and set higher goals for himself. He never forgot the lessons he had learned from the motivational book and continued to seek inspiration from the stories of successful people. Years went by, and Rohit grew up to be a successful businessman. He often shared his story with others, encouraging them to believe in themselves and never give up on their dreams. The moral of the story is that success is not achieved overnight. It takes hard work, determination, and a willingness to learn from failures. It is important to stay motivated and seek inspiration from others, and to never give up on one's dreams.